Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a daily routine vlog, quarantine edition. Since we are on our 4th month of quarantine, I decided just to make a daily routine vlog. So, I wake up around 9 a.m. and I just scroll through my social media accounts, and then I get up and eat my breakfast. So for today's breakfast, I am just having a bread with cheese spread. So may dumating na Shopee delivery and I just went out and get it. So after I eat my breakfast, I just go back to my room and answer some of my review materials. I don't usually study on a daily basis, but today sinipag akong mag-aral, so why not? So when I answer, I just listen to music. And I usually have ML breaks in between my study sessions. After some time, kakain na kami ng lunch, and for today's ulam, I am having adobong manok. After eating lunch, I lounge around or rest for some time before going back to studying. So, di ko na tinapos yung inaaral ko. So, I'm now watching The King. So, here's us eating dinner. I am having ginataang gulay with pitong isda. After eating our dinner, we just washed our dishes. I just washed my face and did my night skincare routine. Try skincare! After that, I just go back to watching my TV series until I go to sleep. So that's it, guys. That's my daily routine. I don't usually go out, but today my jowa just wanted to meet up. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos of me. Follow me on my other social media accounts. Stay safe, everyone, and see you in my next video. Bye!